Hi everyone, welcome back to DevOps Bunker. In this video, we are going to discuss about Jenkins slave architecture and its advantages. As you can see in the diagram, Jenkins master acts as a brain here and send the instructions to Jenkins agent to execute the jobs. So when it comes to roles and responsibilities, Jenkins master and Jenkins agents each has its own responsibilities to follow. So let's talk about Jenkins master. Acts as the central control unit, handles the jobs and load also, and the Jenkins master will provide the UI to monitor the agents and UI for the job creation and configuration, and also it will allow us to manage the plugins. As I said, it is brain of Jenkins and it knows what to do and who should do it and when to do it. Next one is Jenkins agents. These are worker missions that actually runs the jobs. They can be physical servers, virtual machines, even containers. Jenkins master sends them tasks like build code, run test, deploy artifacts as per our configuration. So and also Jenkins agents will have the tools like Maven, npm or Python. As per our requirement, we have to install them in order to execute the jobs. So next one is why we need slaves. Yeah, reduce the load on Jenkins master. Jenkins agent will help us to reduce the load on Jenkins masters. Jobs can run in isolated environments. It will allow us to run on different OSs like Windows, Mac, and Linux. High availability. If one agent fails, others can still handle these jobs. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video.